Should we have working? Great. Does an intervention exist? Should we have an intervention? Yeah. So I think you want to have, think of the intervention as your X and think of the outcome as your Y. If I hope that makes sense to you. And I want all of your topics to have that. Now, this one on adaptation that we're just looking at, I'm a little concerned. I would recommend you go back and just make sure. I just have this feeling that, and a lot of you might as well, right? Imagine you could score your debate, right? Imagine we took all of yours and I say, okay, Courtney, I want you to score Scott's debate on a debate of 1 to 10, right? And that impact of adult attachment on the adaptation of migrants, right? I'm being harsh on you. I'm being fierce, but in a loving way. I mean, I think if we asked others in this group, what would you score that debate? I want you guys to have people say your debate is like at least a 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 in that we need to have this conversation now. This is really important. And if I ask you guys, okay, what debate would you score climate change and infectious diseases? I mean, that's pretty, we're just in the grip of a pandemic. What's the role of climate change and infectious diseases? Yeah, that's pretty important. That's going to be high. I think most of you would score that above a 7 out of 10. I would personally put that as an 8. Pretty important. If I ask you guys to score impact of adult attachment on the adaptation of immigrants, I don't think that would score as high. Right? I would be much lower. So I would want you to maybe think about optimizing that using those methods I just showed you to search for where the debate is and try to connect. And sometimes it's simply just tweaking your language, tweaking your outcomes. Maybe it's integration. But imagine, for example, if we change this, right? A lot of people are concerned that immigrants, maybe cause crime. I'm just, right? This is, I'm not agreeing with that. I'm not anti-immigrant at all. I'm an immigrant myself. So just to get that on the table. But right, that there's a big discussion there. And maybe what you say is if you have better integration, you get lower rates of crime of immigrants. And maybe the psychological intervention of mindfulness or what you mean by adult attachment, I want you to go find that right kind of intervention. And so I want you to find a better, more talked about intervention and a better, more talked about outcome. I really like your population of immigrants. I think that works really well. So, and I also want you to have a direction to your topic that I think it's just easier for people to understand instead of the impact, or to where you can say your review, say how, a systematic review of, how I really like having questions in the title as well. So, right, you could say, does adult attachment, improve immigrants, and I can't spell, sorry, adaptation. A systematic review of XXX would be a title. I like that because then when there's a research question right in your title, people get immediately what you're asking about.